want you guys to try and buy my first BNB. So I want you guys to come with me on this journey so that I can be able to finally earn, to make some, not earn, I mean to actually be able to have some BNB on my account. So on this one we will try to convert my Dogecoin, which I already have, into BNB, because there's something cooking there which that is going to help me with, but I'm not ready to share that yet on this video. But if you go along with me, guys, and you just subscribe on the channel, you will definitely be able to see this thing that I am talking about. So let's go into my wallet and then see what I have for now, so that I can be able to convert that Dogecoin I have into my BNB. I don't even know it's possible, but we will try together so that we can see if that is possible to do. So you just bear with me, guys, and go along with me so that I can be able to do this, right? So that's my Dogecoin I have right here. I have about 232 Dogecoins, and then I want to convert that into BNB, right? So let's see how to do that. Okay, let's go on to convert right here. All right. Let's see what we're going to be able to do. So let's see if we are going to be able to convert this onto BNB, right? Okay, let's see. Let's say Doge. Okay, so I have about Doge here. So let's see if I can convert that into Doge. Okay. Okay, let's see if we say max here, how much we're going to have. Okay, let's see here. Is Shiba already listed here? I didn't know that. I'm a little bit late. No, I was hoping that you can actually see that, and as you can know that I'm learning this stuff as I go along, guys. I didn't even know that Shiba is already listed on here, which is really cool. And I know that a lot of people, they probably made a lot of money with that. So I wanted to convert that coin into Binance coin, which is BNB, but I think we can just do BUSD here, and then we can just do that, because with that exactly. Okay, let's just see the preview. So this is how much. Let's just convert it. Alright, so it's successful. So I converted my Dogecoin, which was that's 80. I have about 86 now. So I am going to stake this so that I can get that ATA, and so which is not really important now. So, but if you're already into crypto, you will probably know why I want to stake that. But let's see. So I think that's it for this one, guys, and then I will see you on the next one. But I will try to actually get to that BNB and then own some BNB, because I think it's really cool to be able to own BNB, because you can actually stake it and actually get rewarded with some new coins that are actually being listed onto the launch pool. And if you don't know what is a launch pool, for now I will actually get a dedicated video for that, and then you can actually learn a lot on this channel, guys, as I am learning along and as I am trying to make that side hustle. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss up on any news that I actually going to post here. So it's going to be a lot of great stuff coming up. So I will see you on the next one, guys. Ciao ciao.